Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the power saving mode on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen and then scroll down and click on power saving. Here you can see the power saving mode at the top of the screen, and you can use this slide at the top to enable it. As you can see, it is on when the battery is above 56%. As it says, automatically disable all resource intensive processes when your battery is below 57%, but you can set it on the slide as you wish to. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.